Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm going to do a real quick album share with you guys. This is a mini folio, and it's I made it using the Simple Stories I Am collection. It is the older collection. Beautiful paper, and it does have the craft text binding, and there's the back side. Okay, so let's open this cutie up. Oh, this is beautiful paper. Okay, on the left hand side I put some 2 photo mats, and these will hold 4x6s without any cropping on them. So that just flips open, and here's a journaling spot, or you can put a photo here, journal here, photo here, just totally up to you. Then you have this nice generous pocket here, so you could fill these photo mats up. You could even put some extra photos in there. I mean, it will hold them. And then this opens up, so you could put an 8x10 photo here, or 2 5x6s, or even 4 photos. And then I have 2 photo mats here, and again they will hold your 4x6s without cropping them. And then this side just shuts, and we'll go to the right side of it, and it opens up. So again, you have a place for journaling or photos, and again another pocket here, just plain photo mats. I didn't even decorate them. And then this side opens up, and then again some photo mats, and put your pictures on there and no cropping. Okay, that's my mini folio. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel or hit the notification button, so every time I come out with a new project, you will be notified of me going live. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll be talking soon. Keep scrapping. Bye bye.